Let's consider the following application problem. Health experts agree that cholesterol intake should be limited to 300 milligrams or less each day. 3 ounces of shrimp and 2 ounces of scallops contain 156 milligrams of cholesterol. 5 ounces of shrimp and 3 ounces of scallops contain 45 milligrams of cholesterol, less than the suggested maximum daily intake. Determine the cholesterol content in an ounce of each item. All right, as with any word problem, first thing we have to do is define our variables. So let's let x equal the number of milligrams of cholesterol in shrimp and y the number of milligrams of cholesterol in scallops. Well, that was easy. Now what we want to do is set up a system of 2 equations and 2 unknowns using x and y. So let me sneak this up here a little bit. Notice that 3 ounces of shrimp and 2 ounces of scallops contain 156 milligrams. So the way we'll represent this in terms of the variables is 3x plus 2y, that is equal to 156. Now 5 ounces of shrimp and 3 ounces of scallops contain 45 milligrams of cholesterol, less than the suggested maximum daily intake, which we know to be 300. So we'll write that as the equation 5x plus 3y, that is equal to 255. And this is the system we now need to solve. All right? So we've gone through this a number of different times. This one probably sets up pretty well for elimination. Let's multiply the first equation by a -3 on the left and on the right. In this case, we're trying to get rid of the y values. And then on the second equation, we're going to multiply left and right by a +2. And from that, we're going to obtain the following system. Looks something like the following. -9x minus 6y, that's equal to a -468. Multiplying the 2's through, we get 10x plus 6y, that is then equal to 510. Adding down our columns, by design, those y terms drop out, and we obtain x is equal to 42. To find the y, we're going to plug x back into one of our 2 original equations, and from that we get y is equal to 15. So let's tie this all together. X we defined as the number of milligrams of cholesterol in shrimp, so we can say in shorthand 42 milligrams in shrimp and 15 milligrams in the scallops. And this finishes our nice application problem.